I
Coco
don't
man call
speak
her
French,
dog in
so
French.
I would never know. I would never know what French means. You're so delusional, so manipulative and wicked to the point where you have a female. You spend so much fucking money on them and you have them calling them a dog. That's how inhumane and wicked you are. You tell them people that. Doggy. You have me calling me doggy the whole time. I always say that I don't like this name. I don't like this name. And that's what you call me, Tutu. That's what you call me. Yeah. And then you want to come and bow down on your knees that, oh, I love you and I want to marry to you. Marry to me for what? For fucking sacrifice me and kill me? Like a fucking dog that I am? You fucking call somebody a fucking dog and then you want to come and talk about them, break your heart and them do things to you. And what you do to me, what you did to me was the worstest thing anybody can do to any human being. Every single thing. And none of this shit that you gave me cannot make up for it. And that is the saddest part about it. Nothing at all. Nothing. You hear? Wicked. You're a wicked person. You're wicked. How did I find out the meaning? So, months ago, I was here and I actually didn't like the name. So I said to myself, let me go and try to find out. Let me Google and see what this name means. Because, you know, sometimes you're on Google and you just want to,
Doggy.
see there? Tutu. See there?
Tutu.
That is exactly what she calls me.
Tutu. Doggy. Doggy.
That is what.
Tutu. Doggy.
Yeah. Anyways, I was just here one day and I just said to myself that, you know, I hear this name, but it's a different language, but I don't like the name. I don't like it. So I said, let me go online and see what this name means. And I'd go, and that's how I type in the name. I type in the name,
Tutu.
and that is exactly. This person speak fluent French. This is a French speaker. This person is not somebody that don't know French. There is no way the person could not know. This person speaks French. They live in a country that is called Quebec in Canada. If you research, Quebec is a French country. And this, I should throw away these stuff, by the way. These stuff is actually from that person. Quebec is a French country. The word is actually French. So you can't speak fluent French and not know that the word tutu is doggy. So you have a fiance that you want to marry. You wanted to do, you know, like, I don't even want to talk certain things on this live, but to me, you wanted to do really bad things to me.